So did that and cleaned the battery terminal. Clean the cable and the connector. Now, do you see this particular wire? But this wire isn't cut, just the material that protects it goes around it. Just a little frayed. So I'm gonna put some tape, electrical tape around that, and that should be good. So everything's cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do is, see, the battery's saying it's charging up to 7.3. So what I'm gonna do is take that fuse off, try to get up here to the auto parts place. Fortunately, it's loose because I had it on, had taken it off a couple of times now, so it's not tightened all the way back down. So fortunately, I'm in my driveway, but I got to get to the auto place now. So try to get up there in the morning, replace the fuse, and see if that changes it. If not, take the battery up there as well. Matter of fact, I'll do that and get that charged, and we'll go from there. Catch me on the next clip.